instructions for Cake by the Ocean. Now there are two versions of this song. We have our level 1 beginner version, and then we've got our level 2 version. All right, now level 1 version I'm going to show you now, all right, because that's only done in our level 1 beginner class where there's 8 routines in our hour-long session. All right, as far as the individual songs and the rest of the ones, we're doing our level 2 version, all right? So let's do our first one, okay? Level 1 for Cake by the Ocean. All right, we do step together. We know step together, we've done that, right? Step together, okay? Sometimes there's 4, all right? Sometimes there's 8. In the beginner version, sometimes there's 4 of them, sometimes there's 8. All right, now we start off with walk and kick. Right foot, walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, and tap. Go to the right and forward, go to the left and back. That's our square. Then we're going to do 2 steps to the right. Step together, step. Now step together, step. Now this foot, we're going to go forward, then we're going to go back, then we're going to go forward, and then we're going to go back. All right, now that's what we do most of the time. And then we've got our slow walk. Now the slow walk, what I call the slow walk, is done in both versions, all right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, lift. Go to the right, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, lift. Go to the left, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift. So I'm going to put those 2 together. All right, so let's do it. Now this is level 1, beginner version for Cake by the Ocean. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back. Now make a square. Go right and forward, go left and back. Go 2 steps to the right. 2 steps to the left. Go forward and back and forward and back. Now slow walk. 2. Now 1, 2, 3 and up. And counting. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you may have noticed, the slow walk is done in all directions. So you do it forward, you do it back, you do it to the right, and then you do it to the left. All right? And basically the song is just full of those 2 steps. It's very, very simple. It's great. Now just to add a little bit of a challenge, I did another level, another version. Now this is version number 2. Now this is for the people that pick it up pretty quickly and they want to go to the 2nd level of dance hour fitness and the 3rd advanced one. All right. Now with the 2nd version, we have the slow walk. That's the same. That doesn't change. Our first part for the 2nd version, and I will say number 1, that's what I'm going to say when I'm in the song and I'm giving instructions throughout the song. I will call this number 1. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, make a square, and side. Now 2 to the side. Now 2 to the side, that's right and left. Now here we go slow. And now faster, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, so that little bit there is different. Okay, so let's do it again. This is the first part, the 2nd version, all right? 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, make a square, and forward, left and back. Now 2 to the right, and 2 to the left. Now forward and back, go forward, back and faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we're going to do our slow walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, go to the right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now back to number 1, 2, 3, and kick and back. Make a square to the right and to the left. Now 2 steps to the right and 2 steps left. Now forward and back, forward, back. Now faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now when we do this 2 times in a row, when we do our walk and kick 2 times in a row, this is what we do. Alright? This is the second part. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, make a square. Go side and forward. Side. Now here, instead of doing 2 to the right, 2 to the left, this is what we do. Take your foot behind, 1, 2, behind, 1, 2, behind, 1, 2, behind, 1, 2. Now this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the difference between number 1 and number 2. Now I'm going to do number 1, number 2, and then number 1 again, because that's how it happens in the song. Alright, get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, make a square. Go side and forward, side and back. 2 steps right, 2 steps left. Now forward and back, this is number 1 and faster. Now number 2 and kick and back. Now make it square. Go side and forward, side. Now go behind. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now back to number 1, 2, 3 and kick and back 2, 3, make a square. And side. Now 2 steps to the right and 2 to the left. Now forward and back, that's forward and back and faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now slow walk. And 1, 2, 3. Now back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Walk and kick. Alright, so that's given you a really good idea of the very first one was the basic version. You just do the same steps with our slow walk. Then the second one is our number 2 version, which is for the people that are ready to do a bit more of an advanced routine of that song. So it's got the first one and the second one, and they're slightly different than our beginner version. If you have any trouble at all, give me a call. Alright? They're the instructions. We're done.